Hello everyone, welcome to The Big Investment. Today we're diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to take control of their finances. Budgeting. If you're a beginner and feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. I'm here to help you create a simple and effective budget that works for you. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a budget? Simply put, a budget is a plan that helps you manage your income and expenses. It's like a roadmap for your money. By tracking your spending and setting limits, you can make sure you're living within your means and working toward your financial goals. Step 1. Gather your financial information. Before we create your budget, we need to gather some information. Start by listing all your sources of income. This includes your salary, side hustles, and any other income streams. Next, make a list of your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Lastly, jot down your variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Step 2. Set your financial goals. Now that you have your financial information, it's time to set some goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the short term, like saving for a vacation, and in the long term, like buying a house. Setting clear, achievable goals will help motivate you to stick to your budget. Step 3. Choose a budgeting method. Step 4. Track your spending. Once you've set up your budget, tracking your spending is crucial. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper, whatever works for you. Make it a habit to review your expenses weekly to see if you're sticking to your budget. This accountability will help you stay on track. Step 5. Adjust as needed. Finally, remember that budgeting isn't set in stone. Life happens, and sometimes you'll need to make adjustments. If you find you're overspending in certain areas, reassess and tweak your budget accordingly. Flexibility is key to successful budgeting. And there you have it. A simple guide to creating your first budget. Remember, budgeting is all about empowering yourself to make informed financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below with your budgeting experiences or questions. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting!